Today is July 17, Saturday, and it's 9:30 in the morning. So we are here in Bukal. Ito pala. Bukal. Sa Cuyab area. Cuyab area ay ang area dito sa Calamba, where the natural hot spring water from the mountain can be experienced. Ayan ang Cuyab. It's like a bayan. So we are here now sa isang resort, Herbal Resort, Hot Spring Resort. So authentic yan. Purok 6, Bukal, Calamba, Laguna. So yan, no, from the National Road, yan, papasok ka dito. At ito ang buong area ng Bukal. Malawak. It's very malawak. Napakaganda ng kapaligiran niya. Ayan. So dito yung reception area upon entering. Ayan. So, ayan. Meron silang may food counter din. At ayan. Ayan. Upon entering the gate of the big property, vast property, ay mga old trees. Ayan, yung mga malalaking trees. Parang 100-year-old na itong mga trees. Old and big trees lined up the entrance area. Ayan. Napaka-edited. So, napakalaki ng area na ito. Ayan, no? Napakalawak. Kung gusto nyo pala magkaroon ng event dito like debut, wedding, ayan, no? Meron silang mga segregated area for this. Ayan, no? Exclusively lang. Villa ang tawag dito. Ang ganda, oh. Wow! Sa mga wedding, oh, pwede. Lahat ng events. Pili nyo lang to. Pagka, ayan, no, enclosed, naka-enclose siya. So, yan, kayo na lang daw ang bahala na mag-decorate, yung cater, basta yung place lang sa kanila, tsaka mga tables and chairs. So beautiful. Oh my gulay. I want to have my wedding here. I want to do my... So, ayan, no. Kasama sa... So, this is what they call the villa. O, ayan, no. Isang... Oh, may swimming pool na. Dalawang swimming pool. Ito lang yung isang villa nila. Villa. May mga complete with rooms. Tapos area na pwedeng yung doon yung kainan. And then, ito yung isa pang kainan. Siguro, pag wedding, ito yung mga reception areas. At ayan yung mga rooms included dito sa villa na ito. Grabe, ang ganda! My gulay! And this is another villa sa isang side. Napakaganda po. Another villa. I think this is smaller one. Para siguro sa mga may birthday lang. Ganyan, birthday. So, ayan. Villa, smaller villas for smaller event. Halimbawa, may birthday, you have your own swimming pools, 2 types, one for adult and one for children with play area. Ayan, oh. So mayroong dining area. Sa dining area meron ng grilled, and meron dun rep. At meron doong lavatory and cooking gas stoves. Ayan, o, 2 long tables. And meron pa ng karaoke, videoke system. Oh my, this is very good. And they have the rooms. Oh, two rooms, 2 air-conditioned rooms. 2 air-conditioned rooms. This is very nice. And the common toilet. Oh, isn't it great? Ayan, no? So, for one family, this is a very good villa. And you are so secured here because you have your own gate. Ayan, no? May gate siya. So, pag nandyan na kayo, na-rent nyo na yan, you will just close the gate and you own your time. Daytime or overnight. Oh my, I love this place. Did you see that? So, yung mga ayaw ng villa, eto, merong mga parang kubo-kubo style. So, there's the kubo style here. You will rent that and then you go to there. another section, villa din yung villa. I love the big trees. So you see that? Ayan. Century-old trees, I think. Yan. Very nice. Oh my love, I love this place. Can you see that? May pathway pa, oh. Paved pathway to the kubo-kubo. Ayan, magkakatabi yung mga kubo. The ambience, oh, I love it. I love it. 200% nature. And this is the hot spring. This is mainit talaga to. This is very hot. Oh, yan. Oh, no, not very hot. Just enough. So this is a original hot spring from the mountain. Therapeutic water. So all your body aches will be gone. So ayan, oh. Very good naman. I love this. Very clean area. Ayan, oh. So today is wala pang 10 o'clock. So konti, wala pang tao. Ayan, oh, yung mga kubo. Oh, I love the trees. Ang ganda-ganda. Ayan, oh. Can you see that? So we will go to covered hot spring area also. The previous one is open, yung mga gusto ng sunlight. Ayun, no, may mga manok-manok pa. Yan, this is the covered area. Yan, talagang very hot yan. Parang may massage effect. So yan, dito. Pupunta dito yung mga masasakit na katawan. Ayan, can you see that? Ayan. 3 feet lang daw yan, 3 feet. For soaking. You will soak your body. Wow! Look at that. The water is so sarap, oh. Sarap. Natanggal yung sakit ng rayuma ko. Joke, wala pa akong rayuma, ha. Very nice. So that water pipe over there, directly sourced from the mountains of Mount Makiling. That's why the water hot spring is very therapeutic. So ayan, nandito na ako sa isa first na pool. Ayan, sarap! So napakasarap. It's so, wow! Ang sarap! Matatanggal ito yung mga sakit-sakit ng iyong mga, ayan o. Wala pa akong rayuma, ha. I don't have arthritis. Salamat sa Diyos. Pero yung arms ko, saka yung shoulders, very, meron akong frozen shoulders. So, I need this. Oh, sarap! Oh my God! Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord, for this blessing. So, can you see that? Can you see those? So, if you have arthritis, if you have painful shoulders, so this is the place. So we will try the water straight from the pipe and straight from the mountain, foot of the mountain. That is really hot and therapeutic because of the pressure of the falling water. We will try at my back. Wow! Free massage! Sarap! It's really soothing! Come on guys! Try this! Sarap! Sarap talaga!